Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today we are preparing a healthy and delicious creamy roasted cauliflower soup. Start by cutting one large head cauliflower and place the pieces on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Toss the cauliflower with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, season with salt, and sprinkle some paprika on top for an extra flavor. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius until the cauliflower is tender and caramelized on the edges, 25 to 35 minutes. Meanwhile, we will prepare the other ingredients and we will start chopping 1 medium onion. Then, mince 3 garlic cloves. In a medium saucepan, warm the remaining 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the onion and the garlic and cook until they are softened and turning translucent, 5 to 7 minutes. The next step is to add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Our roasted cauliflower is ready and now it's time to remove it from the oven and add it on our saucepan. Reserve 2 or 3 of the prettiest roasted cauliflower florets for garnish. Bring the mixture to simmer for about 20 minutes to give the flavors time to melt. Once done, transfer the mixture on a larger pan and blend until creamy. Add 1 cup of milk and continue blending until well incorporated. Place the pan back on the heat, stir a little bit, and add 1 cube of unsalted butter, about 2 tablespoons. Stir continuously for 2 minutes and then blend again in case you want the soup to become creamier. Once ready, transfer the cauliflower soup on a bowl and top it with 2 or 3 cauliflower florets. Sprinkle some paprika on top for an extra flavor and add some fresh parsley leaves. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a new recipe every week and share, like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Till next time, bon appetit!